in this tutorial I will show you that how you can fix add phone number option that is missing in your Roblox. So you can see here I have fixed this in my own Roblox. So you need to do the same steps that I will show. For the first step, you need to open Roblox in any of the browser. I'm opening this on Google and then simply log in with your account. After logging in, you will see this gear icon on your right top side. Click on it and open settings from here. You will be on this account info. So the first reason add phone number option is missing, it's because your account is set to under 13. If your age is under 13, Roblox automatically remove the phone number option. So if you want to change it, you will need to contact Roblox support and request a correction with proof if necessary. The second reason is region restrictions or account type. Some countries or account types might not support phone verification due to local laws or system limitations. You can simply try to using a VPN temporarily to change your IP to a US region. You can open new tab and simply search for Chrome extension. Scroll it down and open its official website. Here you can search for any of the VPN. I have already, after finding the best one, you can open it and simply click on that add to Chrome. I have already added this extension, so I will simply turn on the VPN. After turning this on, if I refresh this page, you can see here it's now showing this phone number option. The last step to fix this phone number option is not showing is to contact Roblox support directly. You can open a new tab and simply search for roblox.com support. Here you can fill this form by filling your username, first name and your own email address where they can contact you. You can choose your device and simply next tab of type of help category you need to select how to and how to other. And at last step you need to describe your issue. You can type here add phone number option is missing from my account setting. Then you need to wait for 24 to 48 hours. They usually respond. You just need to be patient and polite. So that's how you can fix add phone number option is missing on Roblox in just few easy steps.